Hey guys, welcome back to FK Studios, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make the green screen animation you are watching right now. So we're going to start off by heading down to the description of this video you are watching currently, and in it has two links which are templates for this. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to download both of the templates. It'll lead you to a Google Drive link where we're just going to hit the download button and wait for them to download. So I'm just going to repeat the process again to download the second template as well, as you'll need both the templates for this, or you could just use whichever one you like more. I prefer template 1, which is why I'll be showing you the tutorial for it, but you could do the exact same thing for tutorial 2. So we're going to start off by going to panzoid.com, and in it it's a clip maker, so you're going to head on to 3 dots and hit on clip maker. Once you're in the clip maker, it's going to hit on load project, where you're going to select the files which you downloaded. And in here you're just going to hit the I button first, and then you're going to hit play so you can see what it looks like first. Once you're done, I'm just going to pause it and I'm just going to bring it back to where I can see the your name here and the subscribe button, so I can see what I'll be changing. So we're going to go and hit the cube, and we're going to close all these groups which are unnecessary, except the one that says your logo and name, which we will be editing. So we're going to go to the circle in your logo and name, and in here it'll say image, and you're going to select it and you're going to choose your logo, and here you can choose the image you want to put as your logo, and you can adjust its size as well here. Once you're done adjusting its size, you can move it around a bit if you do not think it's in the perfect place. And if you want just to have a color instead of your logo, you can click on image and change what it looks like to color or whatever. So as you can see, I'm moving it now. So now we're going to go into the text which says your name. So you're going to change and write your channel name, for example FK Studios, and you have to hit enter or it won't load. And as you can see, you can change fonts now and the height as well if you want to make it a bit bigger. And here there are many different fonts which you can choose from, such as the old newspaper one and the bold font, and there's many more, and some of them are decent looking, so you can choose whichever one you want. And then we're going to hit the arrow button at the end. After you choose your color at the bottom, there's an arrow with a line at the bottom which we're going to hit to download it, and we're going to click on start video render. So this will create a .mkv file which we will need to convert, so I'm just going to wait for it to download. Now you're just going to hit download your video, and it should download now. So after it's downloaded, I'm just going to go to MKV to MP4 on Google, and I'm going to hit enter, and we're going to use the link which says Cloud Convert. This link works and it should bring you to this website, and you're going to hit select file and choose the MKV file you've downloaded. So once you convert it, it should change it to MP4, and you can also convert it to .mov or .m4v. So we're going to download it once it's complete. And as you can see, here is your green screen animation, which you can remove the green screen in your video editor afterwards when you are done. So I'm just going to show you guys template 2 after you guys see this one. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this short tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next video.